channel. If you are new, feel free to read my life story in the description below. It is short, I promise, just so you get to know a little bit about me. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I am so glad to have you back. So this video, like, I'm trying to do a whole different thing with my channel. Like, I'm not gonna be any of these you know, high up trying to look all dolled up videos. Like, this is me, this is our life, so I'm just gonna be as real as I can with you guys from this point on, and just kind of be, and hopefully you guys can just relate to me a little bit better. I just kind of filmed the process the best I could, and if you guys have any tips or tricks, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would really appreciate this, so that next year I can make an even better video for you guys. This was our first year doing it, so this is a definitely come and learn with me. We got lots of honey out of these hives. Please go ahead and watch the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Showing you guys what the beekeepers' outfits usually look like, except my boyfriend decided walking away from me and talking on the cell phone was exactly what I wanted him to do, but that's cool. Cool. So this is basically it, and sorry, I'm just running. Professional. I've seen many people do this in just shorts and a t-shirt, but we are not professionals by any means. Cleaning the screens of the other hives. This is bad stuff. We don't want this stuff. It's dark. You will see later in the video exactly what we are looking for. Some of them are kind of questionable, but this is kind of what we're looking for. It's so cool looking now that I'm like really looking at it. I was more worried at the time about getting the footage, but, and keep in mind this is our first year doing this, so we were just learning as we were going. So yeah, and there's a lot of like grunt work into getting the honey for sure, but it was totally worth it at the end. I would also say check out my Instagram if you haven't already. I have some pictures of the honeycomb and the honey and all that, so you can see everything that's going on in between my video uploads on my Instagram. These screens of honeycomb and honey were very heavy. They didn't look that heavy, but they had some weight to them. I would definitely say at least 10 pounds. Silicone wax, candle makers. You just take the wax from the screens of our honeycomb and make candles.
Huh? Like I think it goes like this, doesn't it?
Oh.
Definitely gonna get them struggling to put this together.
Hey!
How many people does it take to put together? I just realized I didn't really like film an ending to the video, so I just figured I would kind of explain what happened. So like basically we were like doing the machine or the, you know, the hand turning thing as you saw. Wow. And it just like wasn't quite working, so we watched a couple different videos of for ourselves and just kind of saw like what they did, and it seemed like most of them came from like hotter, warmer areas of the planet, and we're not. Like it's very cold right now. So I just figured I would kind of explain what ended up happening. So Grandpa, after we left, he just said, I asked him, I said, what did you do? And I'm just gonna read what he said. He said, I heated the wax and honey in a roaster. I scraped all the wax and honey off first. Then I let it cool and the wax floated and hardened. Now, to me, I'm just like, okay. But then I'm sure to some of you this would totally make sense, and maybe if this is your first time too, this is kind of like, okay, I have to see it to kind of understand. Makes sense? So anyway, that's kind of what ended up happening, and we got all the beautiful jars of honey and it came out great. I hope this video sort of helped you guys. If not, let me know what you maybe do differently to make this a little easier. This was just my first year, my first video doing it. There's probably tons of stuff I could have done differently, or we could have done differently, I'm sure. So, you know, if you have any tips or, you know, tricks, comment them down below for me. That would be really awesome. I am trying to do something really different with my channel. I realized like I'm very monotone, matter of fact in some of my videos, and I'm trying too hard. Like that's not coming from anybody except for myself. I just think I'm trying to do something that isn't me, if that makes sense. Like I have, people who know me know I have such a spunky little personality, and I just love like showing that to people, and I make people laugh all the time. So I want to just bring that more of myself into these videos, edit the way I want to edit, say what I want to say, do what I want to do, and hopefully that kind of like helps my community build a little bit more, and so they can see like the real me, if that makes sense. I am trying to just redo my channel a little bit and make it better, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and hit that subscribe button and like this video if it happened to help you at all. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.